everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about ABC of Growth Edition, part of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition series. I have already provided an elaborate video on who I am. If you have not checked, please go and check. Also, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter to discuss on Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud, and Agent Force. As a practice, before starting this discussion, let's thank someone who made us to enjoy our work and convert a boring job to an exciting activity. Apt quote for the day: gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. By William Arthur Ward. Okay, where are we? We are here in this session discussing about Growth Edition, and we are in session 3 on Introduction to Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. All right, today we are in episode 4. These are the topics that we'll be covering today, and as you can see, there are a lot of things to cover. So, if you have any questions, please do drop in the comments below, and there is a chance to connect with me also in meetings like where we can discuss on those questions. Okay, introduction on my brand. If you have already visited my previous videos, you already know this. So just a quick intro. SFMC Stories, which is owned by me, founded in 2023, provides details on Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement from basics with features, implementation, use cases, and best practices. And future plan is to include certification, study guide, separate contents based on product like Marketing Cloud engagement, account engagement, Growth Edition, and Advanced Edition. Just a quick sneak peek for people whoever is visiting through this video. Like I'll be also sharing some Agent Force related study guide very soon in this particular website. So please do check this out very frequently. All right. So let's get started. First, we need to understand one particular topic, that is Marketing Cloud on Core. And maybe recently there is a change in this particular name, but till last week or before last week, there was this particular name around the market, which was uh, more speaking towards marketing products in the core system. So when we say core, that is related to Salesforce. And if you have visited or went through my previous video, you know all the marketing cloud products available in Salesforce ecosystem. And as we know those things, like as we know basics of marketing by now, core platform here means Salesforce, and some of the earlier platforms or classic platforms were not within core. And Marketing Cloud was an external platform to Salesforce. And with the introduction of Growth Edition, Marketing Cloud was brought into core platform. But we shouldn't forget, we also have one more Marketing Cloud platform, which was merged with Salesforce long back, which was also within the core platform. And the name of that particular product was Pardot or account engagement. But still, that is an acquisition that was not completely built by Salesforce. But here, when we say Growth Edition, Advanced Edition, those products or maybe those editions are completely built by Salesforce. So this Marketing Cloud on Core is the term given to these two editions: Marketing Cloud Growth Edition and Marketing Cloud Advanced Edition. So with the introduction of new name now in Connections 2025, Marketing Cloud next is the new name given to these two platforms, Growth Edition and Advanced Edition. So we'll discuss on those in a few minutes. So before getting into that particular discussion, we'll understand a little bit more about Marketing Cloud on Core and why the name and what is the capabilities available within this particular MCOC. First of all, it's an simplified UX compared to all the other marketing cloud products. Here we have some simple UI related where you can leverage multiple marketing products and application within one single UI. And as this is within Salesforce platform, which is not the case in other products, it's very easy to access. And one workflow, as earlier the integration was a bit challenging with multiple platforms in place and multiple licenses playing a role. Here, as Salesforce and Marketing Cloud is closely coupled or tightly coupled, um, like in other words, it's natively on Salesforce platform, so marketers can build connected journeys across departments using Salesforce Flow with seamless handoff between marketing, sales, service, and commerce, as all of these clouds are within core platform that is Salesforce. And one data set, as marketers can action on their Salesforce and non-Salesforce data across departments and understand how marketing impacts revenue and customer lifetime value using cross-cloud reporting. Again, not to forget here, data cloud is the core concept or foundation of data within marketing cloud on core. So as we have data cloud, we can connect external platforms very easily and bring the data into Salesforce and connect that data to marketing. And as we have service, sales, and commerce within the same particular platform, integration of data is also very easy, and data flow is also very easy within Marketing Cloud on core. And one more important thing to note here is all these edition or maybe all this particular features are built on agent force. And again, this is a buzzword in the market today, like agent force. How marketers can be benefited with agent force. So there are a lot of options available today in the market, and there is few more additions coming in your way, like in very few days. So based on that, again, for marketers as well, agent force will help in a very huge way. So marketers can tap into Salesforce agentic layer to automate end-to-end campaign creation, optimize campaign delivery using ready-to-use skills and agent builders. So this is the most basic use case related to agent force for marketers. But on top of it, we can also use segmentation with agent force, and also we can use paid optimization. And the lead nurturing is also possible with the help of agent force. And there are few other things in the future which is already yet to be released or in the beta stage, which will be released very soon. With that said, we'll get into the comparison of these two products, that is growth and advanced edition. So first we'll start with growth edition. As you can see on the left hand side, there are like many features or capabilities available within growth edition. So what is this edition first of all? If you have gone through the pricing related details which we discussed in our previous video, you might have known that each of those products, whichever we discussed, part of marketing, was separated based on some editions and features. So here as well, there are certain features available, and again, that is tied to edition. And these editions is again linked to some set of features availability and also license related to it. Or maybe based on your contract with the Salesforce, you will get a relevant edition for your work or your business. So if you pick growth edition, these are the features that you are going to get, starting from agent force campaigns, AI powered segments, AI powered emails, AI powered SMS, email marketing forms and landing pages, lead scoring, multi-channel journeys, web tracking, consent management, then send time optimization, cross object merge fields, dynamic content, campaign attribution, reporting, SMS, and WhatsApp. So all this list will be covered in our next videos where we'll be discussing more about growth edition. So stay tuned. And now we'll come to advanced edition. So how different advanced edition is compared to growth edition? There is no much difference in the implementation wise. Whatever you are going to do in growth edition setup, same thing is used here in advanced edition as well. But there are few add-ons or maybe a few additional features that you can get with advanced edition. As you can see here on the slide, path experimentation, which is more or less, if you are from marketing cloud engagement background, you know what is path experiment. You might have seen this in journey builder. So that type of path experimentation is also possible in advanced edition, which is not possible in growth edition. Then AI powered engagement frequency, engagement scoring, these are all again additional Einstein capabilities or AI capabilities available within advanced edition, which is not available in growth edition. And here you need to focus on two terminologies, AI and agent force. There is something known as AI, which is more or less like a predictive AI. And here and there, you will also have something like generative AI in place. And agent force is again like the normal agent which you might have seen in sales and service related agent. Same thing, or maybe somewhat nearest to it, is applicable here as well in growth edition and advanced edition. Additional AI request, additional active flows, additional email credits, and unified conversation for SMS and WhatsApp, and all the additional agent force related things, whatever I told earlier, will be in this particular advanced edition. And all the future things, whatever is going to be brought up in this particular space, that is Marketing Cloud Encore or Marketing Cloud Next, which is the new name. So all this will be either in growth edition or advanced edition. So just remember, these are the edition changes, or like the first edition introduced was growth edition. On top of it, something was extended, and that extended version is advanced edition. And there are chances that there will be a lot more editions coming into picture in future, but we are not sure about this at the moment. Again, the let's look forward to it if we get any new updates on this future editions. And you need to also have like service digital engagement, which we will discuss in future sessions, like what is the service digital engagement and how to make use of that. um, and you can also see, to make use of this unified conversation for SMS and WhatsApp, you need this service digital engagement, not for any other features here. And also on the left hand side on growth edition, you can see SMS and WhatsApp, which is a paid on feature, which is not available by default. And by default, you can get access to email, not on SMS and WhatsApp. And push notification is not yet introduced in these two editions. And maybe in future releases, we might come across push notifications. But as of today, both of these editions can support email, SMS, and WhatsApp. And now we do have agentic layer in place, so there are chances to get uh, two-way conversation with your customers through agent. Okay, so next is Introduction to Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, the main focus topic for today and also for this particular series. So I know by now most of you might have at least Googled what is Marketing Cloud Growth Edition and when did this all started. So if you are already there with me, then fine. If not, you can just sit relaxed and just go through this entire video and understand a little bit more about Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. So, Marketing Cloud Growth Edition was introduced in February 2024, and this is the first edition on Einstein 1 platform. So it gives small and medium-sized business, or in short, it is SMBs, access to Einstein Gen AI or generative AI and data cloud. This allows SMB to work on sales, service, and commerce teams, allowing for more connected and personalized customer experience. And just a quick note here, uh, people whoever is already having license on Marketing Cloud account engagement or Pardot, and maybe if you have also purchased a license on Sales and Service Cloud with the Enterprise or Unlimited Edition, then you have an opportunity to use Marketing Cloud Growth Edition today. And again, as this particular platform, Marketing Cloud Growth, is built on Einstein 1 platform, as I said earlier. What is this Einstein 1 platform? This is like maybe a core foundation which features major advancement for Salesforce Data Cloud and Einstein AI capabilities, which was not there earlier in the Salesforce ecosystem. So with the advent of Einstein One platform, all of them, like marketing related things, were built on Data Cloud and Einstein AI capabilities. And the underlying system is still the Salesforce, and the metadata framework, everything is still with Salesforce. And this is an trusted AI platform for customer companies. And Einstein One platform gives companies the ability to safely connect any data to build AI powered apps with low code and deliver entirely new CRM experience. Okay, so why growth edition? So before getting into that particular topic, as you can see here in the picture, we have Einstein. And if you know why we have Einstein, with all the due respect to the person, scientist by name Einstein, Salesforce AI capabilities was given the name Einstein. So whatever AI capabilities you see in Salesforce, whether it is on Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and all the standard clouds that you see, have the name Einstein AI in place, with the due respect given to this scientist. And this particular AI features is combined with CRM and Data Cloud, as I told earlier, which is again nothing but an Einstein One platform. Okay, hope now you know little bit about Growth Edition. Now we'll discuss why Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. First of all, as I said earlier, like everything is connected within one system, that is Salesforce, which is world's number one AI CRM, which will give you access to all the different departments: marketing, sales, service, and commerce. Everyone can work together within one single platform, and everyone can have visibility to the entire data flow. And with the help of Growth Edition, closing deals can be quicker compared to the previous legacy systems. And as we already said, like marketing, sales, service, everything is in one place. Then the second point here is to leverage generative AI. If at all, if you want if you want to make use of generative AI for any of your marketing communication, and again, if you want to rely on predictive AI, then you can very well go with this particular edition. And this will help you to scale your work, reach customer quickly by generating campaign briefs, segments, and content with AI. Again, lot more to come with the advent of agent force, and again, lot more to come in AI pipeline. And the third point is you can activate whatever you are going to generate in Marketing Cloud Growth Edition easily into sales, marketing, and service and commerce data, which will be useful to personalize your interaction across your customer relationship, and build automated customer journey that leverage sales, marketing, service, and commerce data. So for complete journey of a customer, you can see the seamless data flow between all the clouds whichever you are today incorporating, and you'll see easy interaction, or maybe easy handoff between different teams, like sales and marketing can work together, service and marketing can work together, and similarly commerce and marketing. And if you need all of them together, you can make them as well, like you can make each of the team work together as well. Okay, now we know little bit, or maybe some of you here who is just came here to understand what is Marketing Cloud, or if you are already an expert in Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, maybe you know these concepts already. But if you are new to this particular video, if you are just starting new with Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, where you should start and what you should learn, that is what this particular slide speaks about. First of all, as I said, this Marketing Cloud Growth Edition is on core platform, that is Salesforce. So understanding Salesforce is very, very much important. First, we need to start with licenses. What are all the licenses available in Salesforce and how to set up a Salesforce platform? And when we have cloud like marketing or sales service, what are all the setup things that we need to do? That is the initial foot that you're going to take in this particular roadmap. Then you need to understand few basic concepts here, like what is user, what is role, what is permission. Maybe if you are from a different background also, you have this, you know this terminology already, but how to implement that in Salesforce. And there is something known as object manager. And again, this object manager is related to standard objects and custom objects. But here we need to focus more on standard object. Then we have something known as CMS, content management system. Need to understand what is this content management system and how it is different from different platform. Maybe if you are from marketing cloud engagement background, you know content builder, and if you are from account engagement background, you know files. So how the CMS is different, and maybe if you are from account engagement background, you know all of these particular things, whatever is on Salesforce section. But maybe people from marketing cloud engagement background will have some difficulty in understanding these concepts in initial days. But if you spend some time understand these core concepts of Salesforce, then it will be very easy to implement Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. Then we also need to understand Flow Builder, which is more aligned to engagement programs in account engagement and Journey Builder in Marketing Cloud engagement. So Flow Builder is also an important concept. Then difference between sandboxes and production. Again, if you are from Marketing Cloud engagement background, you might have not worked on this sandbox concept earlier. That particular differences you need to understand. Then analytics, how Salesforce reporting will work, and how you can make use of Salesforce reporting within marketing area. All these things needs you need to understand. Then after you know all these concepts, then you need to jump into data cloud, because data cloud is the foundation for all the data segmentation and whatever we have, like a contact model related or data model setup that you're going to do, that will be within data cloud. And again, our data cloud is embedded within Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. You're not going to go out of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition to do something, but yeah, there are some features where you need to go outside of Marketing Cloud and configure something in data cloud and come back and use that features within Marketing Cloud. But still, few sections like segmentation is available within Marketing Cloud itself. But pre-configuration, yes, you need to do it in data cloud. So at least to understand that pre-configuration steps, you need to know what is data cloud and how it is linked with Marketing Cloud. And again, to understand that, you need to know what is the purpose of data cloud and some basic concepts related to it. So I have listed some of them here, or maybe the features of data cloud here. So this data cloud will help us in bringing the unified record, or maybe a single record. Instead of seeing some duplicates, you can see one single record available, which you can use for segmenting, and which you can use for personalizing your emails, which you can use for sending out emails to your customer, like a target list. All this is part of Salesforce. So Salesforce Data Cloud. So process starts with ingestion of data, bringing in data from some external system or from Salesforce clouds, and then mapping the data into some unified schema. Then resolving the identity, like you need to bring up one particular profile, as I said earlier, that we call that as identity resolution. And then you need to activate this to some external system, or maybe on any of the Salesforce cloud platform. Then you can also bring some analysis on that, whatever is activated. If you want to analyze the data, you can also go with analysis. So this is the overall concept behind data cloud. And then the last thing that you need to understand is AI and agent force, but this is optional. But in today's market, agent force is very crucial concept to understand. So again, if you know this concept, well and good. If you don't know, maybe you can stay tuned. We will uncover all these topics in our future videos. With that said, let's move on to the next one here, that is architectural flow. And yeah, there might be some changes. If at all, if you bring up some changes, I'm happy to correct this particular flow. Again, this flow is prepared by me, and maybe there are some changes uh, that might come up in future as well. So Marketing Cloud Growth Edition is built on Einstein Generative AI on Einstein Core platform. So that is what highlighted on the right hand side. And there is something like a color coding that I have given, like whatever you see in orange color, that is Marketing Cloud Growth, and whatever you see in purple color, that is Data Cloud, and somewhat like a dark brownish or black color, that is Salesforce plus Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. You can see this particular elements in both the sections, like Salesforce and Marketing Cloud Growth. Then Data Cloud and Marketing Cloud Growth is highlighted in a pink color. So as you can see here, all this content related things is maintained within CMS, that is Content Management System, which is again a concept within Salesforce. And within that, we have email builder and form builder. Even though we are storing all the emails, forms, landing pages, everything within this content section, you will see a specific concept like form builder, email builder within Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, but that is within Content Management System, that is CMS. And next, like we have this lead, contact, campaign, all of this, which are nothing but like an object, or in other words, it's like a list or a data extension. If you're from a different marketing background, these particular tools is again part of Salesforce, but you will be using this in Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. And all the other core objects, whichever is part of SF platform, is also available within this particular environment. Then out of this, you can create a flow like where you will be using email, CMS things like you can upload an image file within CMS and you can connect that to a flow. And then you can also make use of segmentation. So segmentation is driven by Data Cloud, and you will be having all the process done within Data Cloud, and you are going to create a segment. In other words, again, a target audience which you will use for sending out emails. And again, for personalizing purpose, we will use a data graph. So all these things is in picture, and again, this data graph is again a derived concept from Data Cloud. It's not completely a Marketing Cloud Growth Edition concept. You are going to derive data graph from the segment that you are going to generate in from Data Cloud. And then we have analytics where you can use either analytics or maybe insights from Data Cloud and Marketing Cloud Growth Edition pure reports, or again, you can combine that with reports from Salesforce. So that is how analytics is part of mostly all three of them, like Salesforce, Data Cloud, and Marketing Cloud Growth, but more focused on Data Cloud related insights rather than Salesforce related analytics. So that's where that is highlighted in pink. So this is how all these different elements are connected together within Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. Okay, next, consideration and use cases. So whenever you are considering Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, you need to start thinking about the business size and budget, whether you have the right business size to bring up this particular product into your uh, business, and whether you have the relevant budget for it. And again, think for next few years. Don't think for the current state. Think for next few years, 2 3 years, what's going to happen. Based on that, you can invest on this particular product. Then again, customer journey complexity. As I said, most of the things are low code, no code kind of functionality available here. So all of them are connected to each other, and Data Cloud is the core platform which will help you in the data modeling. So customer journey complexity is bit on the low and medium range. Then data driven insights, as we have Data Cloud here, you are going to get a better insight of what data you are storing today. And multi-channel marketing, if your focus is only on email side of it, then you can go easily with Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. But if your future is on WhatsApp or SMS or maybe push notification, it is better you can choose a different edition, maybe advanced edition. Or if you are an enterprise business, then you can directly go to exact target or marketing cloud engagement, which will have a better multi-channel features available. Then AI powered personalization. As I said, this is on Einstein AI platform. So this has some better features related to AI. Again, with introduction of Marketing Cloud next, as the name given to Marketing Cloud on Core, there are a lot of things in the pipeline which we can see in next couple of months, um, part of AI and Agent Force. Then scalability, as I said earlier in the first point, think about future, like where you need to place your business in next 2 years or next 5 years. What would be your contact size, whom you are targeting, and what type of email you are sending out to them. Uh, that should be your future focus, and based on that, you can pick up this particular product. Then few use cases. Again, you might have come across these type of use cases earlier, whichever product you are using, whether it is HubSpot, Marketo, Marketing Cloud Engagement, account engagement, whatever it is, you might have come across this use cases like welcome email, new arrival, product update, any reminder kind of email, lead follow-up, renewal reminders, then upsell, cross-sell initiatives, and reminders related to this. All these are some of the use cases which you can work on in Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. And again, people who is very new or a fresher who don't know any of this, welcome email is like if you sign up for a brand for the very first time, you will get an email notification telling welcome you to the brand. So that is nothing but a welcome email. If there is any new product they have launched, that brand has launched, they will send out an update for you, that is product update or new arrival update. Then reminder, if there is an appointment with some doctor, then maybe you will get some doctor appointment related email, that is a reminder. Then lead follow up. Again, if you are very new to that particular brand, you haven't purchased anything, there are chances that you might get some offers, coupons related to it. That would be like a lead follow up. Then renewal reminder, it's like an expiry, like something is getting expired, just renew it, those type of renewal email. That is renewal reminder. And upsell, cross sell, you already own one product, uh, like brand is telling you to purchase a related product. That is more or less like a upsell, cross sell concept. Okay, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind when choosing Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. And we have something like related here, pricing, which is very crucial from a business point of view. So these are all some of the like pricing. Again, don't take it as a standard pricing based on your business. This is expected to change based on the add-ons that you are going to purchase, based on the credits that you are going to use. All these numbers, what you are seeing on this slide, is expected to change. So don't keep this as an final price, and don't go to Salesforce and ask them or bargain them. But this is the standard pricing that you can keep in mind. But still, based on your usage, based on your actual requirement, there are chances that these pricings are expected to change. And again, future, if I think from future perspective, we are not going to stay with this pricing for many years. So with that said, you can see some credits over here. Credits means, again, most of the things happening today is based on consumption model. Initially, all the products, Salesforce products, was sold based on like for this X product, you need to pay Y money. That type of selling was there, but now most of the products are based on data cloud. So data cloud plays a role like a consumption model pricing. Based on your usage, you are going to pay money to Salesforce. So that is what credits here means. Based on the purchase that you are going to make, you will get some credits. And that is what listed here. And some of the things you can see as add-ons, additional things. And yeah, keep in mind, this is expected to change. This is not the ultimate pricing sheet that you will see part of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. Okay, with that said, we'll get into capabilities part of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, starting with Einstein Co-Create. It's again a unique name that you might have come across if you are from any marketing background. So this is actually a Gen AI feature, generative AI, which changes based on, again, this can change based on business requirement. But in order for teams to leverage AI, you need to have a strong data foundation. That is again a core capability or core requirement to make use of AI or Einstein related features. So this Einstein co-create will help you in creating a campaign or a campaign brief and accompanying any assets like emails and segments, which you can create within minutes using one generative prompt or giving some instruction to the system. It is going to give you a response in the form of a campaign or a segment. Then we have segment creation. Again, this uses generative AI to create segment, making it easier than ever to reach out to target customer. Just describe the segment you want in generative AI prompt, and Einstein does the rest. Then we have content creation. Again, this will also leverage generative AI to draft an email copy, subject line copy, and pre-header copy. Then we have something known as Einstein send time optimization, which will leverage machine learning to predict optimal send times, boosting your open rate and increasing engagement by determining the best time to send a message. Then maybe forms, landing page you already know, and reporting dashboard, maybe all of you know what this is. SMS, again, all of you know the normal SMS what you receive on your mobile phone. These things can also be configured. And Salesforce flow, more or less similar to Journey Builder, automation. And if you are from Salesforce background, you know this very well. So nothing more to explain, but we have something known as campaign flow, which is more specific to marketing capabilities, which is not available in a general or a normal Salesforce flow. Then engagement scoring, which is again based on your engagement, you will get some score. Like if you are a customer and you are viewing some emails related to a brand, based on your frequent engagement or maybe frequent opening and clicking of that email, there will be a related score given to it. If you open an email, there will be like 5 points. If you click a email, you'll get some 10 points. Like that, in the back end, the scoring is going to happen and you will be given some scoring related to it. But brand is not going to address that scoring to you that you have got this many scores. But in the back end, that particular score will be used to send out a couple of emails to you, which we will discuss in future when we get into maybe advanced edition related topic. Yes, so we are almost there. Like this is the new announcement happened recently in the Connections 2025 Marketing Cloud Next. So this is again the new name given to Marketing Cloud on Core, which is again a combination of Growth Edition and Advanced Edition. So what this can do is it's a complete marketing platform designed to help you personalize moment of engagement across the customer life cycle. And it is again, as we discussed so far, this is again natively on Salesforce platform. Marketing Cloud Next brings agentic marketing. Whatever we discussed so far, this did not have lot of things on agentic or maybe agent force related. We were only discussing about Gen AI, generative AI, and predictive AI related. But here in Marketing Cloud Next, we can see something known as agentic AI coming into picture, which will help marketing to life with actionable data, cross-departmental workflow, autonomous AI agents, everything together working. So you can see the flow. Again, this is an official flow given from Salesforce. So where you can see metadata platform, security and automation, which is maintained by metadata platform. Then on top of it, we have data cloud, all the structured, unstructured, zero copy, everything you can see within data cloud. And we have this marketing cloud next, which is on top of data cloud, where you have all the marketing applications available. And then agent force is like marketing cloud next is driven by agent force, where you can launch your campaigns, generate brief, autonomous one-on-one personalization, real-time offers and recommendations, 24 bar 7 omni-channel conversation, always on lead generation and self-optimizing campaigns. So these are all the new features that is part of agent force for marketing. And on the right hand side, you see you have you can bring data from any data connectors that is supported by Data Cloud, and any channel whichever you want to target. You have that capability with Marketing Cloud Next, and also any LLM. And again, there are a lot more features coming up in future part of Marketing Cloud Next. And again, in my upcoming weekly meet, I'll be discussing more about Marketing Cloud Next. Again, my point of view on this particular product. Everything will be uncovered in the future sessions on this particular channel. With that said, you can connect with me on LinkedIn to get more updates on biweekly meet with community. So, what I'm doing here is like whatever videos I'm posting on the YouTube channel, you can also drop down your like drop your questions in the comment box. And if at all, if you want to connect with me directly, this is the chance where you can ask question on a call directly with me. On a bi-weekly basis, I'll be scheduling a call, and in that particular call, we'll be discussing more about marketing side of business, especially on the Salesforce side, like what are all the new launches happening, and maybe on the career side, like where you need to start, and if you are already a marketing cloud expert, what is the next upcoming features or maybe upcoming skill set that you should have part of marketing. Those things we will be discussing. And again, if you want to register yourself for the upcoming meet, which is happening this week, you can grab this particular form and fill the details, and I'll be sharing a invite for you very soon. And you can connect with me on LinkedIn, as I said earlier, to get all the updates quickly. As soon as I post something on YouTube or on my website, I'll be updating that in LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, here are some resources that you need to keep in mind, or maybe just take a screenshot of it and look into these particular resources whenever you get a chance. And there is some of the details, whatever we covered today, is part of this particular resources. And some of them are like not part of this resource, but some of them are from taken from official documents as well. And one particular thing here is Einstein capabilities in Marketing Cloud. So if you are new to Marketing Cloud world, then you can check this particular video. Again, this video is again given by me, like this session is given by me, where I'll be covering all the Einstein features available in Marketing Cloud engagement. More or less, this is same thing what we will see in Marketing Cloud Growth Edition and Advanced Edition as well. And the official announcement of Marketing Cloud Next is available in the last URL, which is added here. So go and check that particular URL to understand what is this Marketing Cloud Next is all about. With that said, thank you all for continuing this video till now. And if at all, if you are interested to learn more about Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, stay tuned. And this is a weekly basis video release. So you will get the next video in the exact next week. So stay tuned, and remaining things will be covered in next session. And if at all, if you have some friends and colleagues who is interested to learn Marketing Cloud from the ground level, you can share this video with them and make them join this particular sessions where we can collaborate, where we can understand what you are and who you are. And one more exciting opportunity for all of you is whoever shares this particular form details related to biweekly meet with more of your friends or maybe colleagues, and whoever invites most of them to that particular meet will get an exciting chance to introduce yourself in one of the upcoming meeting, and with all the slide and everything dedicated for you. You can share your experience with marketing and also maybe with Salesforce with the entire community, and whoever comes to my YouTube channel can view your story. So this is one thing that I have kept a part of this particular initiative as well. So with that said, thank you once again for staying till here, and we can catch up very soon in the bi-weekly meet or maybe in the next session. Thank you.